there are a lot of good educators out there.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of crap out there as well. And as a newer trader in that Y phase, that unconscious incompetence phase where you don't know what you don't know, you can't really filter the crap from the good information. So it really becomes, what do I see first? And what do you see first? Well, the first thing I see when I load up YouTube is an ad of some guy telling me about his magic strategy and this and this and this and this. If you're naive and you don't know any better, you're going to believe it. And you're going to take what he says, you're going to try it, and then you're going to go out there and lose money. You're not going to understand why you're losing money because you don't understand what you're doing or why you're doing it. You're simply doing it because someone else is doing it and you think it's right. At that point, you really have a crossroads. You have two choices. Well, one, if you start questioning what you're doing, you say, wait a minute, I should get on the right path here. But if you're not even familiar with the fact that you should be questioning stuff, you just go to the next thing and you try that and you repeat the process and you live that life forever until you run across something that causes you to change. And hopefully you don't go broke by the time that happens.